Hey everyone, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. I hope you're doing well today. Um just wanted to show you we're test fitting the trim on this piece of quarter that I've put on here. And what I have here is a gas door. And I'm checking to see that it's not too super wide here so that the quarter is not too thick. I've checked it up here at the top. And then also along this top spear, you can see here the weld. I haven't ground it all off yet, but as you go a little closer to the front, I'm going to move you. As you go a little closer to the front, you can see that that weld is hidden underneath that trim. So I think I accomplished what I wanted to, which is less body work at the end of the day, having to do so much with replacing the quarters. So it's important to try to minimize your connections where they cannot be seen. I mean, it's kind of common sense, but a lot of people don't necessarily do things the same way. But as you can see, you know, I did grind those off. I showed that in an earlier video, and it's fitting pretty good. So I think we're really in good shape. Happy to be making some good progress on the car. I got a little bit more welding done on this bottom also. I still got a ways to go. Some of my gaps there ended up being real large. I used the 16th cutoff wheel from Harbor Freight, and it did not work that well. I have been using like the 40 thousandths ones, and they seem to work better. But this particular batch that I got was a new batch, and it didn't cut worth a hoot. So kind of watch on them. I bought some of the other ones. They call them the Bauer version. I was using, I think, the Warrior version or something was the ones that were bad. So I don't know. The Bauer ones are twice as expensive, but you know, the way it goes is they just put a different color label on things and different color box. So you never know. Actually got to go get some more Walter Flex Cuts bits or grinding discs. I've been using those. Fitzy Fabrication use those, and they work real well. So I want to thank you guys for the new subscribers. Remember, like, subscribe, and share, and it helps the channel grow. Not that I'm trying to reach the world, but it's just more viewers, more comments, and you can comment also whether you agree or you don't agree. So take it easy, and we'll talk to you later on.